So this is an afternoon airport reservation. Don't normally do them because traffic is ridiculous, but I was actually heading in this direction and looking for a ride like this, so I took it. So you can notice that the upfront fare is $42.78. The mileage is 21.6, and the time expected 44 minutes. So you can imagine after I swipe to end the ride at the airport, after dropping off the passenger, I see this, $38.86. Excuse me? Wait a second. Hold up. You promised me $42.78. What's the reasoning on this? I mean, if you look at the mileage and minutes, both are slightly longer. I certainly wouldn't have squabbled and asked for more, but they dropped the pay by almost 10%. And then I fought with support for a while. You can see I logged on immediately. This is 3:41. 45 minutes later, I'm still arguing with them for my money. I'm being polite, I'm being professional, but I'm being persistent. $42.78, it took 10%. The ride did not change at all on the way. In fact, it was a little bit longer. So what I want to know is this an intentional, systematic scheme to defraud drivers that are going to the airport or elsewhere? If this has happened to you as a driver or a rider, please let me know. DM me the screenshots, all right?